Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is VIVO Y17S, and in this video I am going to show you how to change screen recording quality on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to just open our shortcuts panel, where we have to just swipe to right till we find our screen recorder. Now we have to hold on this icon like this to open screen recorder settings, and right here, as you can see, is picture quality option. We have to click on this option and we can choose if you want to record in high or low quality. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!